Hi, my name is Andrea Geronis of Geronis Lawyers. When you have had an uneventful pregnancy, to suddenly find out after birth that you have a very sick baby can be a huge shock to parents. What went wrong? Why couldn't this have been prevented? Who do I complain to, and what questions should I be asking? These are all real and common questions in parents' minds after they receive a devastating diagnosis after birth. Sometimes there are these undetectable problems with the fetus that can cause a brain or organ injury. But in other cases, these problems are detectable by nurses and doctors throughout the labor and delivery, and they are to be spotted and acted upon by competent medical practitioners. Labor is a tumultuous time for the baby. Some babies can really tolerate the contractions very well, and other babies cannot. Fetuses send out signals to the outside world, and doctors and nurses in hospitals are trained to constantly assess the fetal well-being during labor. They do this by monitoring the fetal heart rate, by sometimes sampling the scalp blood, by counting the fetal movements, and by doing ultrasounds. That is what their job is during labor and delivery, is to monitor the health of your baby. Baby that's not doing well may have sudden drops in the heart rate, which are called decelerations, or they may suddenly have a very, very high heart rate, known as tachycardia. All of these are signals saying the baby is not doing well. Maybe it's time for a C-section. The doctors and nurses are trained to recognize these signs and to act appropriately. If they do not, a very seriously ill baby can result. If you have any questions about how your labor and delivery was handled, and whether or not your child's birth injuries could have been prevented, you owe it to your child to seek legal opinion. Geronis Lawyers specializes in this area of the law, and we work with experts who will help us assess what happened to your baby during labor and delivery. We have free, no obligation consultations, and in most cases there are no fees until we settle your case. Call Geronis Lawyers today.